When it comes to military technology, some gadgets are so advanced they almost look illegal. From tiny drones that can slip past defenses unnoticed to robotic soldiers built for dangerous missions, these top-secret devices give modern armies a serious edge. In this video, we're diving into 18 military gadgets that feel straight out of a sci-fi movie. Some of them are designed for stealth, others for firepower, and a few might even make you wonder how they exist at all. Strap in, because this is the future of combat. Classified, cutting-edge, and absolutely mind-blowing. Teledyne FLIR Hornet Nano. The Teledyne FLIR Hornet Nano is a remarkable secret military gadget, a palm-sized reconnaissance drone that gives troops eyes where they can't safely go. Despite its tiny size, this micro-UAV delivers live thermal and visible video back to operators, offering covert situational awareness that can be a lifesaver in complex terrain. It weighs only a few dozen grams and fits in a pocket, yet can fly for up to approximately 25 minutes, sneaking into contested areas nearly silently. Prices are high. Historical reports suggest advanced nano drones like this can cost tens to hundreds of thousands per unit when sold in specialized military packages, reflecting cutting-edge sensors, secure communications, and rugged design tailored for defense use rather than consumer markets. Sky-Hero Defense Sigyn Mk4. The Sky-Hero Defense Sigyn Mk4 is a compact but rugged secret military gadget, a throwable unmanned ground vehicle built to scout tight, hazardous environments and deliver real-time audio/video intel without putting soldiers at risk. Equipped with dual EO/IR day-night cameras, 8 controllable IR LEDs, and AES-256 encrypted comms, it offers up to approximately 150 meters of wireless range and approximately 2 hours of drive time, all from a 1.15 kilogram chassis. The Sigyn's crash-proof design lets teams throw it into doorways or behind cover to see what lies ahead. While exact pricing can vary, official procurement documents list units at around $8,000 to $9,000 each, making it a specialized but valuable tool for EOD and tactical units rather than a consumer product. INVISIO T30. The INVISIO T30 is a cutting-edge tactical headset designed for modern military communications, blending crystal-clear audio with exceptional hearing protection and situational awareness. It combines active noise reduction with passive attenuation to deliver up to approximately 30 decibels of hearing protection and precise 360-degree sound localization down to around 9 degrees for better ambient awareness. Built for rugged use, the headset is waterproof, submersible to approximately 2 meters, and can run up to approximately 110 hours on a single AA battery or power from radios and devices. Its modular design lets operators switch wearing styles quickly, making it incredibly versatile across mission types. Because INVISIO sells through defense channels rather than consumer outlets, individual unit pricing isn't published publicly and usually reflects high-end military procurement costs. Typically thousands of dollars each when supplied in complete tactical communications kits rather than as standalone retail gear. WILCOX Flip Pivot Mount. The WILCOX Flip/Pivot Mount is a deceptively simple yet highly specialized secret military gadget designed to give machine gunners flexible sighting options. This rugged accessory lets operators mount a thermal weapon sight in line with a machine gun optic and then flip or rotate it 180 degrees, so it can serve as a standalone backup or switch quickly between thermal and red dot views, all while staying aligned on a MIL-STD-1913 rail. Its aerospace-grade aluminum construction ensures durability in harsh field conditions, and the compact design minimizes added bulk. While WILCOX doesn't list a public retail price, similar mounts from the brand often sell through defense channels for several $100s each or more, reflecting their niche military-grade build and export controls rather than standard consumer pricing. Teledyne FLIR SUGV. The Teledyne FLIR SUGV is a highly capable small unmanned ground vehicle built for real-world military missions like reconnaissance, EOD, and remote inspection, keeping soldiers out of harm's way. Compact and rugged, it weighs roughly 20 to 30 pounds, 9 to 13 kilograms, and can climb stairs, traverse rough terrain, and operate for hours with modular payloads including HD visual and infrared cameras, two-way audio, and dexterous manipulator arms able to lift approximately 10 kilograms. Because this is defense-oriented hardware sold through military procurement channels rather than retail, exact pricing isn't public. But similar robotic UGVs often run into the tens to over $100,000 per unit depending on configuration and sensors. DroneGun Mk4. The DroneGun Mk4 is a striking example of a secret military gadget, a rugged, handheld counter-drone jammer that lets operators disrupt hostile UAVs quickly and safely without firing a shot. Weighing about 3.2 kilograms with a NATO-grade battery and built to IP67 durability, it targets a wide range of frequencies to break control, navigation, and video links, often forcing drones to land or return home. Although exact pricing isn't published, specialist defense sources suggest units like the DroneGun Mk4 often cost tens of thousands of dollars each when offered through military procurement. Its compact pistol-shaped design and rapid setup make it feel almost too advanced for the battlefield, but that's exactly the point. RevisionEyewear. RevisionEyewear isn't a weapon, but as military-grade protective eyewear, it's a secret gadget that can literally save your sight in combat. These ballistic glasses and goggles are engineered to meet or exceed ANSI and military standards with high-impact polycarbonate lenses, anti-fog coatings, and secure, comfortable fits designed for harsh environments and helmet use. Popular options like Desert Locust or Stinger Hawk kits typically range from around $90 to $230, depending on model and lenses, reflecting their tactical-ready performance rather than consumer specs. OpsCore RAILINK. The OpsCore RAILINK is one of those behind-the-scenes tools that serious operators rely on, a revolutionary helmet power and data rail system that replaces messy cables and multiple batteries with a single, centralized source. Its integrated power and data ARC rails let night vision, lights, and other helmet accessories draw juice and share information more cleanly, reducing weight and snag hazards in the field. The RAILINK system meets MIL-STD durability standards and supports a wide range of VAS/NVG gear while weighing only around 226 grams for the rails themselves. Pricing varies based on configuration. Standalone rail kits start around $1,800 to $2,000, while complete bundles with batteries and accessories can run $3,500 plus or more through tactical outfitters and defense channels, reflecting its specialized mission-grade design. XTEND Systems. The XTEND Systems family isn't just another drone maker. It's at the heart of modern battlefield evolution, blending AI-assisted autonomy with intuitive human control to extend soldier reach without risk. Built around the XOS combat operating system, XTEND's tactical unmanned aerial systems, from micro-ISR platforms to precision loitering munitions, operate in GPS-denied, contested environments and can be controlled as coordinated teams. These systems are sold through multi-million-dollar defense contracts rather than retail, with Pentagon and allied deals reflecting high-end military pricing tailored to capability and configuration rather than a consumer cost tag. Dogo Combat Robot. The Dogo Combat Robot impresses as a slick, tactical gadget straight out of a sci-fi thriller, blending reconnaissance and combat capability in one compact machine. Weighing around 10 to 12 kilograms, it's designed for elite anti-terror units and can carry a Glock-type pistol or non-lethal modules while streaming 360-degree video back to its operator. Its remote point-and-shoot system and two-way audio make it valuable for hostage rescues and urban warfare, giving teams vital intel without risking lives. It's a high-end piece of kit, with units reportedly costing in the tens of lakhs of rupees in some procurements. Scout AI NOMAD. The Scout AI NOMAD is an intriguing next-generation unmanned ground vehicle built for modern tactical missions, pairing rugged engineering from Hendrick Motorsports with Scout AI's advanced Fury autonomy. It runs a camera-only, low-signature autonomy stack that's over 90% smaller and more power-efficient than previous systems, enabling beyond line-of-sight operation, human follow modes, and natural language command in comms-denied environments. Nomad is designed to carry adaptable payloads and scout or support small units without exposing soldiers to danger. Specs like speed, endurance, and price have yet to be publicly detailed, making it a compelling but still mysterious piece of defense tech. Vapor CLE Helicopter. The Vapor CLE feels like a glimpse into the future of battlefield robotics, a compact, electric helicopter-style unmanned aircraft designed to go where soldiers can't. It's rugged yet portable in a 7-cubic-foot, 35-pound package deployable within minutes and capable of up to 2 hours flight with heavy sensors or even lethal payloads. With autonomous features powered by onboard AI, strong endurance, and compatibility with numerous mission kits, it's clearly aimed at surveillance, strike, and logistics roles. Price hasn't been publicly listed, but systems like this normally cost in the high 6 to 7-figure range in defense procurement. Lubawa EOD ONE. The Lubawa EOD ONE isn't a gadget in the sci-fi robot sense, but a next-generation protective bomb suit built by Poland's defense specialist Lubawa to shield explosive ordnance disposal teams from blasts, fragments, thermal waves, and overpressure. A leap forward in EOD personal protection. Its ergonomic design, integrated cooling and comm system, helmet with camera, and support unit aim to keep technicians safer in life-threatening missions. While official specs are detailed, public pricing isn't disclosed. Such bespoke military kit typically costs well into high-priced defense procurement brackets. Camero Xaver LR80. The Camero Xaver LR80 is a striking piece of secret military gadget tech. A portable long-range through-wall radar system that gives operators the ability to detect live objects on the other side of solid structures from over 100 meters away. It uses ultra-wideband sensing and patented signal processing to show how many people are beyond a wall and their exact distance, all controlled via a rugged tablet interface. Designed for tactical teams in urban and rural operations, it creates life-saving situational awareness without exposing soldiers to danger. Specific specs like weight, power endurance, and unit price aren't publicly listed, but systems of this class typically sell only to government and can cost well into high defense procurement brackets. Switchblade 600. The Switchblade 600 is a striking piece of secret military gadget tech. A tube-launched loitering munition that blends drone autonomy with anti-armor firepower, letting a single operator send it miles downrange to hunt hardened targets without exposing troops. It's rugged yet portable, weighing roughly 50 pounds and deployable in under 10 minutes with a tablet-based fire control system for real-time targeting and precision effects. With over 40 minutes endurance and 40 kilometers plus range, it can loiter, surveil, and strike in one package. Public unit prices aren't officially released, but open estimates suggest around $70,000 to $90,000 per round. Pricey, but cheaper than heavy missiles. Anduril Industries Ghost X. The Anduril Industries Ghost X feels like a leap forward in battlefield autonomy. A modular helicopter-style UAS built to give small teams real tactical eyes without putting pilots at risk. It's rugged and expeditionary, with up to approximately 90 minutes endurance, approximately 25 kilometers operational range, and approximately 9 kilograms payload capacity for high-end electro-optical/infrared sensors or comms kits, all managed by the AI-driven Lattice Mission software. Its flexibility and ease of deployment make it a standout ISR platform, though specific unit pricing hasn't been publicly released. Systems like this typically sit in high-end defense procurement brackets well into 6 figures per unit. Edge Autonomy VXE-30 Droppables. The Edge Autonomy VXE-30 Stalker feels like a high-end secret military gadget. An autonomous VTOL uncrewed aerial system built for persistent ISR and adaptable mission roles. It's rugged and lightweight, approximately 20 to 22 kilograms, with 8+ hours endurance, up to 160 kilometers range, and payload flexibility for EO/IR sensors or other mission kits, all controllable from a ground station. Its vertical takeoff/landing and modular architecture mean it can be deployed quickly without runways. While exact unit pricing isn't public, systems like this typically cost into high defense procurement brackets, sold mainly to militaries and allied governments. Alpha Unmanned Systems, a 900. The Alpha Unmanned Systems, a 900 feels like a quiet revolution in tactical UAV design. A fuel-powered vertical takeoff helicopter drone built to support ISR, maritime security, border control, and even SAR missions without risking pilots. It's rugged and modular, with a 4-hour flight endurance less than 25 kilograms MTOW and up to 4 kilograms payload capacity across 4 bays, all powered by an onboard generator and capable of autonomous VTOL from moving vessels. Its GPS-denied navigation and encrypted comms underscore serious military intent. Public pricing isn't published, but systems like this typically command high-end defense procurement figures.